Hello everyone, I am Sangeetha, working as assistant professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Designs at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Here I am going to explain about film grain and video noise in visual effects. So here in this presentation, delve into the world of these visual elements, exploring their impact and how they can be harnessed to create a more realistic and immersive cinematic experience. So here we can see difference between film grain and video noise, and the impact of grain and noise of perceptions, and technical technique for adding and manipulating grains noise in the in VFX. So next one is defining film grain and video noise. Film grain, imagine tiny silver particles embedded in film stock. These particles can subtle speckled texture when light hits the film during exposure. This is what we call film grain. Video noise in the digital world. Video noise arises from various sources during the video capture or processing stages. So here film grain adds a warm organic texture reminiscent of classic film aesthetics. Video noise can introduce a more digital or gritty feel depending on its intensity. Then here challenges of visual effects in integrations. So here the fundamental difference between film grain and video noise can create unnatural and distracting look when integrated together. Imagine a scene where a computer generated object seamlessly blend with live action footage, but object lacks the subtle texture of film grain present in the real footage. This inconsistency can break the illusion of realism. So here we can achieving the seamless integrations through matching the grain structure, color characteristics, and dynamic noise integrations. So here we can analyze the characteristics of noise grain and video no- film grain and video noise. So here grain structure, film grain has a distinct organic pattern. We will analyze its size, how big or small the grain particles appears, and disruptions, how unevenly the particles are scattered. Video noise, on the other hand, can exhibit a more random or patchy distributions. Then color characteristics, film grain often has a warmer tone due to the chemical composition of film stock. Video noise, depending on its source, can be more neutral or have a side color cast. Here why we are using analysis matters. So here matching the grain and noise profile, choose the right tools. So next one is integration techniques. Here we can integration techniques. It is a powerful tool for achieving seamless integration while preserving the unique characteristics of each element. Imagine film grain and video noise as separate layers in your VFX software. Blend modes act like magic wands, allowing you to control how these layers interact and blend together. Two particularly effective modes for our purpose are overlay and soft light. So next one is color grading and coherent aesthetics. So here the power of color grading is matching color tones, preserving highlights and shadows, and creating an unified looks. The importance of color gradings are visual harmony and embedded visual effects. And then next one is noise reductions um, and grain matching. In noise reductions, we can taming the noise, temporal noise reductions, and spatial noise reductions. In temporal noise reduction, these techniques analyze the consequent video frame to identify and reduce random noise fluctuations resulting in the cleaner and more consistent look. Spatial noise reductions. This method focuses on individual frames, smoothing out noisy areas while preserving important image details. So here some successful integrations examples are blockbuster action films and awarded winning historical drama, and then visualizing the techniques in action, learn from proven approaches. So next is artistic consideration in integrations. Here we can use the film grain and video noise as artistic tools, evoking emotions, directing attentions, and enhancing storytelling. Then future trends are AI powered grain matching, procedural noise generations, and real time grain and noise integrations. So here we have some particle implementation stages, building a collaborative workflows or pre-production planning. Communication is key, flexible and integrations, and optimizing your UVFX pipelines or choosing the right tools and plugging power. Then finally we came to conclusions. So here harmonizing film grain and video noise is more than just a technical feat. It is artistic skill that significantly impact authenticity and immersions of visual effects. By mastering this art, you can elevate the quality of cinematic experience and transport audiences to believe words. Thank you.